Hey everybody, this is Ben Jones. I got a little package at the door. I want to open it up and see what it is. Maybe show you. Let's check it out. Come with me. There we go. Get some boxes here. Okay, let's see what this is. Let's check it out. Come back for those other two in a minute. I think I know what it is. I think I know. Right. I've never seen these before, ever. So now is the first time. Look at this. Okay. Let's see. Here we go. This is the first time I'm ever seeing it right now. Avoiding Data Pitfalls. There we go. That's my book. Wow. This took me a long time to write. I started it almost 5 years ago, and here it is. So I'm going to actually do a little webinar for anyone who wants to hear more about it. And that webinar is going to be on November 20th. This is my dog, Winston. He will not be on the webinar. But this book was dedicated to my father, who passed away right after I signed the contract to write it. So we're going to be doing the webinar on my father's birthday, which is November 20th. So it's coming up here in a few weeks. And that'll be at noon on Pacific time. And I just want to cover the book, what it's about, the story behind it, why I wrote it, what I'm excited about, and what I hope you like about it. So feel free to follow the link here in the video, and you can register for that webinar. And I think I'm giving away a promo coupon to everyone who joins for my future classes, as well as, I think I'll probably pick a winner in there that gets a free copy of the book. Okay, so thanks everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye.